if you are watching this video, someone may have shared their fundraising link with you and thought you might be interested in the Thanks and Blanks box that we have. This is a box of 30 cards for $30. And it only costs you $1 a card, but it comes in a really cool little box just like this. And as you can see, these cards are just incredible. They look handcrafted. They look they just put such a neat impression on your clients that you're working with, So anyway, just had to show off just a few of these. They come in a little, with a matching envelope. And they're just great. And then whoever invited you also to look at this, the organization makes $13 a box off of every box that they sell. So thanks again for watching, and thank you for supporting your organization with your Thanks and Blanks box. Thanks again.